Right, so this is auto darkening welding mask by Weldsafe. If you're just starting out like myself, definitely recommend picking up one of these. Makes it a lot easier, like a lot easier. So you can actually see where you're kind of starting it with the end. Also, like the other one that you have to hold with your hand, it's very easy to I don't know, like one time when the welding rod's stuck, at the same time I kind of pulled down the mask covering my eyes, so looked straight at the whatever you call it, the light. But this here you can adjust the shade from 13 to 9. It's also got a thing for grind. I've just got it on 12 at the moment. Seems to be dark enough. So yeah, it's not dark at all when you're looking through it and trying to start the weld. So it makes it a lot easier. And then as soon as you start to weld, it darkens. And some settings in here. Oh, it's battery and stuff. I think they might be run on just solar. But you can also adjust this for the size of your head and stuff. And I mean, this is a pretty cheap helmet, but it does the trick a lot better than the other one. And that's pretty much it. Definitely recommend it though.